So we're here with Johnny in the factory today. We're just going to go through a little routine of how to reprogram your semi-automatic Stira if you should ever have to do so, or we request you to do so. So we have it in the open position. It's going to close up now. By the way, all our Stiras come out already pre-programmed, so there's generally no issue. It's just if for some reason we need to do this, this is the process. So once it's closed, on the little black box on the side, you'll find there's a little reset button that you put a pin in. You'll push it in, you'll feel it click. And then to open the unit, you push both consecutively and you hold them down. It'll take a few seconds and then the unit will start to open. So you can release those buttons now, and the next thing you're waiting to do is click the button when you want to set the limit, like now. So that sets as to how far you want the unit to open, okay? And you can see on the actual wires here or cables here, that's how we want them to be. So now that's set, we can close it back up again by pushing the up button, and that closes the unit back up. It will obviously close at its own limit, and then we can open it again using the remote control. And now we're just testing it to see that the limit is as per we wanted. If it's not, you can just repeat that process again and set the limit again. So that's fine. We'll just close that up again. And then one other thing we're just going to show you is the emergency hatch release button. So this is if you have a power cut or something in the house, which is this button here. It's normally located beside the Stira in your ceiling. It might be put somewhere in the hot press or anything. And the idea of this is when you press this button, it's a small battery drip feed which will release the hatch and open it up. So you can always get into your loft space even if you have a power cut. So that's if you needed to get to a water tank or something like that. And once you release that button, it just stops again. And what we do say is wait until the power has been restored and then just use the remote control, not the quick release, the remote control to close the unit back up again. So this button is an emergency release of opening the trapdoor. Please don't think that it closes it as well. It doesn't. It's just so you can access the loft space.